Ideally located steps to Wellington's downtown core, bursting with cafes and restaurants, shopping and art galleries. Pop over to the Drake Devonshire for an incredible meal overlooking the crystal blue waters of Lake Ontario, or perhaps grab some takeout to enjoy at home. Immerse yourself in luxury living at 51 West Street, where a sense of quiet village lifestyle merges with a vibrant and diverse community rich in arts, history, nature, and hospitality. This West Coast style home welcomes you with a stunning solid cedar custom entry door, followed by honey oak built-in millwork for the ultimate experience in convenience and storage. Quebec thin strip ash hardwood flows throughout the home and sets the foundation for this light and airy floor plan filled with sunlight. The back of the home is wrapped in windows and flooded with sunlight. The kitchen and dining room enjoy direct access to a large deck overlooking a lush and private yard. The upper floor provides a welcome retreat at the end of the day. Every detail has been carefully considered, every fixture and fitting intentionally curated to create a cohesive and seamless flow from one space to the next. This modern turnkey home has been designed for impactful living and an enriching community experience. We invite you to come and explore 51 West Street, where you too can fall in love and call the county home.